To register for Fidelity Online Banking, start by going to the Fidelity website and clicking on the Register button. You will be prompted to select the type of account you want to register, such as a brokerage account, retirement account, or other. Choose the correct account type and click Next. Enter your account information, including your account number and social security number. This information is used to verify your identity and ensure that you are the account owner. You will also need to provide your date of birth and other identifying information. Create a username and password for your online banking account. Your username should be unique and easy to remember, while your password should be strong and secure. Avoid using easily guessable information such as your name or birth date. Set up security questions and answers to provide an additional layer of protection for your account. Choose questions that are easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. You will need to provide answers to these questions if you forget your password or need to access your account from a new device. Review and agree to the terms and conditions of the online banking service. This includes understanding the fees and charges associated with online banking, as well as the security measures in place to protect your account. Once you have completed the registration process, you will receive a confirmation email with instructions on how to log into your account. You can then use your username and password to access your account online and begin managing your finances. It is a good idea to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done by providing a phone number or email address where a verification code can be sent. You will need to enter this code in addition to your username and password to access your account. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily register for Fidelity Online Banking and start taking advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. Remember to always keep your account information and login credentials secure to protect your financial information.